Hello, I'm in a 2005 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to release the hood. So from the driver's side, you should have found a lever here to pull. That pop should have been the safety releasing. There also should be some tension on this always. If there's not for some reason, if I can even show it, probably can't see, but you can see a little bit that cable in there. Should be under some tension with that connected. If it's not connected, that's something you want to address. Go up. You can see now the hood's a little bit loose, so you can reach in here. Most vehicles there's a release lever somewhere towards the middle, so it's right here. So this one we're pushing and then lifting. So there you go, that's what it hooked onto. This is what this looks like. If you're having issues with this, you might have some debris stuck in here that needs cleaned out. Maybe needs a little WD-40 sprayed in here to loosen it. Otherwise, maybe if this is a little off alignment, you need to adjust it so everything's straight again. And worst case scenario, these parts are affordable to replace if needed and get new cables. But I hope this was helpful.